Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about the latest update to Google Messages, which is finally giving Android users more customization and personalization options with chat themes. The new feature allows users to change the look and feel of their conversations with custom wallpapers and color schemes. This is a feature that many users have been requesting for a long time, and it's great to see Google finally addressing this. Let's dive in and take a closer look at the new chat themes feature. The new chat theme option replaces the old change colors option, which only allowed users to change the color of their message bubbles and backgrounds. With chat themes, users can now choose from a variety of different wallpapers and color schemes to customize their conversations. The feature starts with a conversation preview at the top of the screen, then you get a carousel of colors that match the system-level dynamic color palettes. Next, you have wallpapers, with Google providing stock categories like animals, architecture, black and white, cityscapes, landscapes, macro, and more. You can also manually choose a photo from your gallery. This level of customization is a staple for modern messaging apps, and it's great to see Google finally giving users the option to personalize their conversations. In terms of design and build, the new chat themes feature is well integrated into the Google Messages app. The feature is easy to use and navigate, and the different wallpapers and color schemes look great. The only downside is that the feature is not yet available on all devices, with Google rolling it out in the usual staged manner. In terms of specs and performance, the new chat themes feature does not seem to have any significant impact on the performance of the Google Messages app. The app still runs smoothly and quickly, even with the new feature enabled. One of the best things about the new chat themes feature is the number of new features it brings to the Google Messages app. With chat themes, users can now customize their conversations in a way that was not previously possible. The feature also allows users to express their personality and style, which is a great way to make the app more fun and engaging. In terms of rumors and leaks, there have been rumors that Google is working on a number of other new features for the Google Messages app. Some of these features include end-to-end encryption and a new interface that is more similar to other popular messaging apps. While these rumors are not yet confirmed, they are certainly exciting, and we can't wait to see what Google has in store for the future. The new chat themes feature is expected to be rolled out to all devices in the coming weeks, although the exact release date and price are not yet known. In terms of verdict, the new chat themes feature is a great addition to the Google Messages app. It gives users more customization and personalization options, and it's a feature that many users have been requesting for a long time. While the feature is not yet available on all devices, it's great to see Google finally addressing this user request. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. We'll see you in the next video.